Hey everyone, we got an unboxing today. I finally got this in. I've been very excited for this. This is a 3D printer, the Flashforge Finder Lite. It's the newest model of the Flashforge Finder. So let's just jump right in. I've been really excited for this. So we got letter opener. Oh, it's another box. All right, we got another box. So round two, here we go. There's a lot more tape on this one. Okay, finally. And here it is. It's a very pretty blue color. All right, let's try this part again. So here you can actually see the printer itself, sort of, for the first time. I'm going to carefully try and shimmy this out of here. Okay. Just do it at a slight angle. There's probably, there we go. We got some of the stuff falling out here. We got some wires and tools. Some kind of shipping thing. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. Now we'll actually get to see what the printer looks like. Alright. So we got a filament feeding tube on top. So now that I've taken it apart a bit more, you can actually see the extruder head. It's currently zip tied in, so I can't really move it around too much. But let's take out some of these parts here. Oh, it came with a glue stick. That's nice. Okay, and then we got the bed right here. So we'll take out this power brick. And then I'm going to lift the bed up. So the bed just lifts right up. All you got to do is push. So you push that bed, and this cardboard slides right out. All right, and then I can push the bed back down. Okay, so for this next part here, I'm actually going to need some snips to get these zip ties off. So now that the actual printer is out of the box, the next part would be to undo the zip ties that are on the little access bars here. Gotta be very careful not to cut any wires. You only want to cut the zip ties. Okay, so now you can see I can move this around freely. Get this plastic out. The most satisfying part. Let's go ahead and power it up with a power brick. So right on the back here is where the power goes in. Then you just flip the switch. So now I should just be able to press this button and it's powering on. And it sings to you. How nice. So we got the light on, starting to work. So the Flashforge already comes with a little bit of filament. As you can see here, it comes in a vacuum sealed bag. So I'm going to take out the filament. So back here is the filament cartridge. That's where the actual filament would go in. So I can put the filament in the cartridge here. Okay, so they include this filament feeder tube, which you can feed the filament through so that it stays at a certain angle while it's going in like this. I personally don't like to use the tube, and that's just because if there's an error with the filament, I like to be able to see it and get in right away and not have to deal with the tube right in the way. Okay, so right now, okay, so the source of that noise was these tiny little yellow clips, which are on the Z-axis at the very bottom. So this is something new that was not in the previous version of Finders. That's what I get for not reading the instructions. So if you're unboxing the same thing and you have that motor grinding like that, turn it off, pull out these clips, and you'll be fine. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Look forward to my full review on this printer, and thanks for watching.